Well, hey there, geometry students. Welcome back to another edition of Your Notes. Today's notes are titled Notes on Areas of Regular Polygons. Let's get started. First off, we see a formula. We've given a formula. It's on your formula chart. You may have seen it before, but you might not have known what it means. A equals 1/2 AP. What it stands for is the area equals 1/2. The A stands for apothem, APOTHEM. And the P stands for, you might know this one, the perimeter. So 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. Well, what is the apothem? I'm glad you asked. The apothem is illustrated here for us. All right, so we have a regular polygon, which means that all sides are the exact same, and then all angles are the exact same as well. This is a hexagon, and it is inside of a circle. All the vertices are touching the circle. The center of the polygon is also the center of the circle, and the radius of the polygon is also the radius of the circle. That would go from the center to the vertex, or any vertex. The apothem is this piece. It goes from the center, and it's perpendicular to one of the sides. There is an apothem that can be drawn to any of the sides, but only one is necessary to have. All right? So if I know what the apothem is, I can take 1/2 times that and then multiply it times the perimeter by adding up all the sides. Let's do some examples. The first one here, we have a value of the apothem. We have one side, and so I can find the perimeter with that one side to get the area of this. We can see that it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So that is a heptagon. And so the area, which is 1/2 AP, I always write my formula first. I know what my apothem is. I need to find my perimeter. It is not the 11.3 because it would be 11.3 times 5. So over here to the side, if I find 11.3 times 7, did I say 7 last time? I don't know. 11.3 times 7 is going to get me 79.1. Then I take that number and bring it over here in place of my P. So 1/2 times the apothem, which is 11.7, times the perimeter, which was 79.1. And then I multiply that 1/2 times all those. And again, I've already done this for you. So we get 462.74 units squared. Since it doesn't give me units, I got to give my units squared. All right, that was easy. In this next example, we see that they don't give us the apothem. All I have is one side length here is 6 miles. It's a very large hexagon. 6 sides, hexagon. Okay, so I'm going to need to find my apothem. If we draw the apothem in first, it's going to go from the center down and make a right angle. Okay, and in order to find that apothem, I'm actually also going to have to draw in the radius. Okay, I need to find out what I know about this triangle. If it turns out to be a special triangle, all the more easy. All right, so I need to find out this angle. I can do that by first finding out the whole entire angle. Let me draw it over here. If I can find just one angle of the hexagon, and then I can find the piece inside the triangle there. So to find one interior angle, we've had a formula in the past. It involves that n-2 times 180. And if I take that, that's for the sum. That's for all of the angles added together. If I divide that by n, that will give me just one interior angle. So in this case, I have 6 sides. So if I take 6 minus 2 times 180 and divide it by 6, I get one angle. Up on top here, this would be 4 times 180. That gives me 720. And 720 divided by 6 is 120. So one interior angle is 120 degrees. Then, by drawing on that radius, it cuts this angle in half, so half of 120 is 60. Hey, that's special. I've got 60, 90, and then 30. Okay, now I can find the apothem with my special right triangle. Okay, so I can go over here, 30, 60, 90. Now, they don't give me any sides yet. I need to find those. The 6 would actually be cut in half to have 3. Oops. I'd have 3 for each piece. So 3 there, 3 there. So that 3 is across from the 30. X radical 3, 2x. 3 is across from the 30, so I have 3 radical 3 across from the 60, and then across the 90 would be 6. The one across from 60 is the one I need, so 3 radical 3. There's my apothem. Now I can find my area. Area, which is 1/2 AP. I know the apothem. I need to find the perimeter. Perimeter, which I had 6 going all the way across. 6 times 6, which is 36. Bring that in place there. So 1/2 times that 3 radical 3 times my perimeter, which is 36. And I can go to my calculator to save time. I already did it for you. And I get 93.53 miles squared. Actually, I am going to show you this because some people ask with the radical. So it's going to take 1/2. I can multiply times 3 just with the radical 3. Make sure you arrow out and then times 36. And there it was, 93.53, rounded to the nearest hundredth miles squared. All right, last example. Here I have a 5-sided figure. That would be a pentagon. And this time they do give me the apothem, but they don't give me one of the side lengths. So I'm going to do that in the exact same way. Draw in that radius. Okay, and I need to find out one whole angle. So that would be 5 minus 2 times 180, divided by 5. So I get 3 times 180. And then divided by 5, I have 108 for each angle. So if each angle is 108, I can divide that by 2 to get the angle inside here, so 54. Again, go back and rewatch that. Make sure you know how to find that one angle inside the triangle. That's not special, so I'm going to have to end up using my trigonometry. Put myself here at this angle. I'm very small this time. I need to know that side. So I have the opposite side and the adjacent side. I've been using a lot of tangent lately. So the tangent of 54 would be equal to 16 over x. Again, if I'm going too fast at any point in this video, please pause it, catch up to me, and then resume. When I cross multiply here and then divide, well, again, what happens is the x and the tangent of 54 end up switching places. So x equals 16 divided by tangent of 54. And that is equal to 11.625. I'm going to round to the thousandths place for that. So 11.625 is inside the triangle there, but that's half of my side here. Don't forget to double that. If I double that, I get 23.25. All right, so I have one side length. I have my apothem. I can now find the area. Area is 1/2 AP. I need to find the perimeter. 23.25 times 5 sides. That gets me 116.25. Take that, bring it over here and place my perimeter. So 1/2 times my 16 times the 116.25. And I get exactly, actually, 930 units squared. Okay, so got the area of the pentagon using trigonometry, got the area of the hexagon using 30, 60, 90, and also every single time I find the area of the hexagon, I'm going to use that same 30, 60, 90. So if you can just remember, hey, the hexagon, the reason is as well, each hexagon is split up into 6 equilateral triangles. So it would be 60 here, and 60 over there. Cut it in half, so it becomes a 30, 60, 90. Let me go ahead and throw this in there as well. One way you can find the central angle of this triangle is if I take all of them, 360, and divide by how many triangles I have as well. So you can also do that. I just like this since we already had that formula established for us in the past. We don't have to memorize one more thing, although we should also know 360. Okay? I know that was a lot of notes, a lot of processes, but it works out so well with a formula. We just have to know the pieces we need and use them. Don't forget your WSQ. Have a great day.